I want to welcome our 2020-2021 first year students to Kibabii University. Our university that is very dynamic, a university that nurtures young men and young ladies. And I want to thank you for choosing Kibabii University to be your university of choice. And I'm sure once you join our university, you are not going to regret. I wish to introduce myself. My name is Professor Dr. Engineer Benedict Mutua. I am a Deputy Vice Chancellor in charge of Planning, Partnership, Research and Innovation. In our university, we have 3 divisions. My colleagues will be sharing the other divisions to you. I'll focus more on the division that I have, the one that I've called the Division for Planning, Partnership, Research and Innovation. We normally put a short form of it as PPRI. In this division, we have 4 areas that we focus on. One is on planning. The second area is on research, partnerships and innovations. And I want to take you through the 4 in a very short while. When it comes to planning, I'm sure as a new student, you might be wondering what do we mean by planning. In our day-to-day lives, we have to plan our lives. You have to plan your day before you start your activities. And as you join the university, it will be very important for you to plan your programs, your academic programs, even your personal programs. At a university level, we are guided by some documents. One of them is what we call the master plan. That is done for some years. For our case, we have a master plan for 2015-2075. And it's from the master plan that we draw another very important document that we call strategic plan, that is normally done in 5-year cycle. For this time, we are ending the 2016-2020 strategic plan, and we are reviewing the strategic plan to come up with the 2020-2022. Out of the strategic plan, we draw what we call the annual work plan at the university level, at the school level, at the faculty department, and very importantly, at the personal level. This is at the staff level and the student level. When you join us at Kibabii University, you'll be required to have your plan every day on how you're going to do your activities. This is going to help you in time management, because if you don't plan for your time, always be having issues in terms of meeting your assignments and even doing your exams. But the moment you get well planned, and will help you as a student to know how to do your planning. The second item that we look at is partnerships and collaborations. As a university, we don't work alone. We partner with the government, county governments, national government, industry, and also with the partners from regional and at global level. This helps the students and also the staff. For example, if you have issues on exchange programs, we assist students who have items that they want to present in other countries, or we have students from other countries and faculty come to the university. We have an international office that we call Linkages International Affairs Office that deals with all matters concerning exchange programs. You'll realize that when you join Kibabii University, you find we have a community of students who are from other countries, so we have to take care of both our local students and international students. That is done by the Division of Planning, Partnership, Research and Innovation. We have an office that is very vibrant to address all the issues. And we do this by signing what we call Memorandum of Understanding agreements, so that what we do is a legal issue. Then number 3, we have a very important area on research. And students always ask us, first years, we don't know what is research. And I always say that research starts from primary school all the way to the university. As you join Kibabii University, we want to help you nurture your research skills. As a division, we focus on training both the students and the staff, how to write proposals that can even win money. We use the students during the time we have our shows, exhibitions, so that the students can also showcase what they have done. We also involve students in community outreach, so that if there's something that a student has come up with, you can showcase to the community. We have an area that is also very important on innovation. Again, during this period of COVID-19 pandemic, as you're at home, you've had a lot of items concerning innovations from the students, and I want you to join that community of innovators. I know you have great ideas as young men and women as you join Kibabii University. We have a hub, innovation hub, where we nurture the innovation concepts from the students. We have competent staff will be taking you through so that if you have an idea, we can grow that idea even to a prototype or to a product that can be taken to the market and get rights from there. For us to protect your intellectual property rights, we have an office that is in charge of that, and we have policies to guide you. We are guided by the Kenya Property Industrial Institute, KIPI, where if you have an idea that should be protected, you register so that nobody else can pick up your idea. So before we take out your ideas to the community or to the outside, we always assist you to register that idea with the KIPI so that it's protected either as a trademark, a copyright, or a patent, and that will go to your records. So as you join Kibabi University, we'll be taking you through those 4 areas, we'll be assisting you so that as you do your program for the 4 years or for the 3 years, you'll come out as a holistic person. So we welcome you once again to Kibabi University. It's a dynamic university that focuses on every item for the student. Our students are our stakeholder number one, your customer number one. So all our energies are geared towards you as our students. So feel welcome, and once again, thank you for choosing Kibabi as your university of choice. God bless you.